So the SEC has filed a lawsuit against Ripple XRP. Now, why have they done this, and what does this mean for investors? What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2021 the best year ever. We're here to grow our portfolios together, and we're here to grow together this year. Now, if you like the content on this channel, please don't forget to click that like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, become a bro, and let's grow together. So, like I said, the SEC has filed a lawsuit against Ripple. If you're unaware of what Ripple does, they're out there revolutionizing the payment industry and the financial transactions industry. So what does this mean? They have a cryptocurrency called Ripple. The symbol is XRP. If you're not too familiar with cryptocurrency, that's okay, especially because the lawsuit is being filed by the SEC, which is wanting to consider them a security in a company instead of a crypto coin. So what do? Ripple is revolutionizing the payment and transaction industry by using this coin and their blockchain. What are their intentions and how are they doing it? So they intend to make transactions, financial transactions, much quicker and much cheaper. Now they can do this because of their coin and their blockchain technology. All of these transactions would be taking place on the Ripple blockchain, which would help alleviate some of the fees and a lot of the time that it takes to transfer money. Now, if you're talking about transferring money from you to your friend, you can use something like PayPal or Cash App, and it's instant, right? There's no fees associated with it, and you can get money from one person to another as quick as you can hand them cash, can't you? Yes, but if you're talking about moving large sums of money from banks or internationally, it becomes a lot more complicated and it's a lot tougher to do, and there's a lot of fees associated with it as well, especially with things like different exchange rates and international, all of the problems that come with doing anything internationally. Obviously, it becomes expensive and time consuming. Well, when Ripple comes into play, they really revolutionize the industry by making it much quicker and much cheaper. We're not going to get into all the analytics on how they do that, but that's just know that that's what they do, okay? So the SEC came along and filed a lawsuit against Ripple, claiming that they raised $1.3 billion in the sale of securities, which essentially was their cryptocurrency that they were selling. So the SEC doesn't consider Ripple a crypto coin, they consider it a security. Now, what's the difference between something like Bitcoin or Ethereum and Ripple, right? Why does the SEC have something against Ripple? Because Ripple is an actual company doing actual business. Bitcoin is just a coin, right? If you're not too familiar with what Bitcoin is, it's a coin. A lot of people think it's going to be used for a store of value. Other people think that it's going to be an actual currency one day where it's accepted worldwide. And the debate goes on and on about what exactly it is, but Bitcoin is a coin, okay? There's no company associated behind it. There's no business, there's no day-to-day business that's going on with Bitcoin. Now, Ripple is completely different. I just described their business and what they're out there doing. So the SEC doesn't like this, right? They want their hands in their pockets. They want to be able to take something from Ripple because they're a company and they're doing business, and they sold this coin knowing that they were raising money for their daily operations. So that's where the SEC has decided to file this lawsuit and come against Ripple. As a result, Ripple was being delisted from many cryptocurrency exchanges. Not all of them. I believe that Kraken still has Ripple listed on there, but a lot of the major and minor exchanges that allow you to trade these crypto coins have delisted Ripple, at least momentarily. So what did this do to the stock price, right? I'm over here calling it a stock too. No, what did this do for the price of the coin? It drastically fell. So before the lawsuit came to light, Ripple was trading all the way up to 71 cents a coin late in 2020. After the lawsuit was announced, it dropped all the way down to around 20 cents, give or take, and now it's back up to 31 cents a coin. So the price definitely has taken a hit because of the lawsuit. But in recent news, the CEO of Ripple said that they have tried to settle with the SEC, but the SEC is continuing to move forward with that lawsuit, right? So it's definitely not like Ripple is just going to go away overnight because of what the SEC is doing. They're revolutionizing an industry, and I believe that they have the potential to do so, so they're not just going to give up and give in. With that being said, should this be something you're considering adding to your portfolio in the future? Obviously, I'm going to recommend waiting to see how this lawsuit plays out and what happens along the way. What Ripple is considered, if they're considered a crypto coin, if they're considered a security by the SEC. We're going to need to see the results of this lawsuit before we can go ahead. But if everything works out the way it should and Ripple is able to continue innovating in this industry, we could see astronomical gains in this coin or maybe in this security. You know, I can't call it a coin, I can't call it a security. We got to wait and see what it's determined, right? So with that being said, this could be a huge mover in 2021. Everybody loves penny stocks and how high they could go. This could be a perfect penny stock because digital coins and digital assets are the future. Just like electric vehicles and clean energy is the future, digital assets are the future. I read a study recently on Generation Z, and they are okay with 100% digital assets. They no longer need cash in their hands to feel comfortable or to feel safe with making purchases or transferring money and so on and so forth. So knowing that that is our future, Generation Z is our future, guys. Whether or not you think that's a scary thing or you think it's a great thing, this Gen Z is our future, and they're okay and especially welcoming to things like cryptocurrencies and digital money transfers and stuff like that. So with that being said, if you like this video, make sure to share it with one of your friends so that we can kind of get on our radar what some of the hottest movers in 2021 can be and could be. And if the subscribe button is still red, please do me a favor, click that subscribe button, become a bro, and let's grow together in 2021. We're going to increase our portfolios, and we're going to make this the best year ever. So until the next time, I hope that you found this a little bit enlightening and a little bit interesting, and I'll see you guys again.